We're back, Pound, Wisconsin. These are altered hot farm slash pro farm, whatever you want to call them. It's a pretty hard track. They should haul some ass. We're back in Pound, Wisconsin. Got my phone charged. This is 9,500 pound. I don't know what you want to call it. They call it something different everywhere. Altered farm, mod turbo, limited, light limited pro farm, sort of. There's no RPM limit. There's no speed limit. They pulled stock diesel pickups earlier. I didn't go live with it because I think only about 3 out of 20 trucks actually made it down the track. They need to have a driver's education course in that class.
Alright guys, I got a new light.
Where's everyone watching from? We are in a small village north of Green Bay. There is some pretty sweet 66 series IHs in this class. Struthers, Ohio. I've been to a strip club there, a Mushroom Head concert. I've been to Struthers, Ed.
Appreciate it. Firefighters appreciate it also.
If you guys share our video, I'd appreciate it. We had 10 times as many live viewers as the MacPro Nationals the last time I was live. Back them up. Might have had the wrong gear. We go over 300 viewers. Keep sharing the video. Pat Hack's watching. He used to run the old Yeller sled we're using today. It says on my screen 300 and some live viewers. That's not real accurate. It's usually more than that, but a beautiful 1066.
Next track, if you're going on another track, is
This is Jeff Kapanos pulling. He's the president of this group pulling here in New Motorsports. So look him up on Facebook, NEW Motorsports. Stands for Northeast Wisconsin if you can't figure that out. We're in Northeast Wisconsin, north of Green Bay. Way up north, as they call it, in a small village called Pound. About that one, Green fans. It was right about 27 mile an hour too. A black stripe 766.
better. That's what we're looking for. Robert wants 323. I want 330.
27 mile an hour.
Running. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Give Dad a high five. Yeah.
Yeah. See, works.
It works.
I got lots of smoke. I got lots of smoke today.
Lots of smoke, buddy.
Pat Hack's watching. He said hi, Jeff.
Yeah. Right down here, no buddy. You don't get to right here. Stay right here and watch.
If you like watching our live videos, I try to do some wherever I go. My brother Brock does Run What You Brung trucks in Pennsylvania and Ohio. Share our page with our friends, share our posts. Otherwise, Facebook holds us ransom for money. We post a lot of stuff that nobody sees. That's why it's important to like and share. When you have 575,000 fans, Facebook tries to squeeze some money out of you. That tractor won at Gordyville this year. I was in Ellsworth last week, got the video of that tractor exploding. I believe Ellsworth's about 7 hours from here, so I put on some miles. Legal addiction, that is a 1086. If you like to go watch tractor pulling, you should move to Wisconsin, because Richland Center, the home of the beer money pulling team, I bet I could go to 50 pulls a year and never drive more than an hour and a half. But I drove 4.5 hours north up here, stopped at Macville on the way. Got some sweet videos of some diesel trucks, just freehanding them. We're about 30 miles from Green Bay, so you better be a Packers fan if you live up here. I'll just warn you that.
Trying to be a 4-1, Jeff?
Yeah.
These are 466 cubic inches. Super Farms are 680. They're pushing. These guys aren't far from them horsepower wise. What's the rolls in this class, Jeff?
Pretty much identical to Badger Seat, Depot.
466. 3 in, 3 out.
3 in, 3 out. You can run a 3x4 if you'd like, but most guys are running 3x3 hards. Yeah, open RPMs, 20.8.
They asked if this is like Super Farms. I said horsepower wise, you're getting close to them.
Oh yeah, I mean, a lot of these tractors are in the over 1,300. They're right there. Might be a small class of tractors, but they all run good.
Fun to watch.
Yeah.
Three in, 3 out means the turbocharger has a 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet. Like you said, they can run a 4-inch outlet. With the smaller cubic inches, it's probably a little harder to turn it. Which Erie County are you in, Mike? Ohio, Pennsylvania? I moved out here last year from Erie County, Pennsylvania. guys are hauling ass. See what's next. I see a green tractor moving up here, so Jeff's not going to be alone with green tractors. How old is this sled, Pat, if you can tell me? Old Yeller's been around a while. There's another chance for the John Deere fans out there. Had a few blue and orange tractors down in Mackville I took some videos of earlier. Try to get them up on beer money. I think the tractor that just pulled is leading. He's at 338, 27.3 mile an hour.
You like red ones or green ones?
This is a different class. It's 640 Pro Farm, 640 cubic inches. I think they have an RPM limit, but no speed limit. I'll be able to tell. You'll hear him hit the governor. There is no full pull. Full pull, I guess, is if you end up in the hayfield. I guess that would be a full pull. Tractor is about 4,800 horsepower combined, pulling off right there, maybe over 5,000 horsepower. This will be 640 Pro Farm, I believe. Whole different sound when you add 180, 200 cubic inches. Got 1,100 live viewers. That's way more people than live in Pound, Wisconsin. Probably 3 times as many people than live here.
Right.
I think they were just moving the triggers on the sled. This looked like maybe what they were doing. If you don't know how a sled works, the box goes up so far, there's a trigger in there that drops airbags, puts all the pressure on the pan instead of the wheels of the sled.
Do you think he's sweating now? Do you think he's still sweating? I think he's more nervous now. Huh? The hook. The hook roll.
On the sled?
No, I think...
Oh.
I'm not sure where. If it was on the back of the tractor or if it was on the sled.
We're in Pound, Wisconsin. They're having issues with the hook on the sled.
That's what I hope. I think come here and you get it.
I'm guessing it's a problem with the tractor since they're towing it off. Alright, another tractor starting up. Must have been a problem with the hitch on the tractor. The deer got cold feet. That's a good one. I know that'll make the red fans happy. A John Deere getting towed off the track. This is a sweet tractor coming up. It's painted like the 5 millionth tractor edition. This thing is immaculate if you ever get to see it in person. It's called the Bootlegger. Yeah, the skid steer won that hook. Now they're going to try and tow the tractor through the mud pit. The Bootlegger 640 Pro Farm. You'll see it when it goes by. It's a beautiful tractor. All right, let her rip. Where's the flag guy at? Flag guy's in the skid steer. There he goes. He's got his flags out. Just hang them out the window. All right. I'm guessing you guys at home never get this close to those tractors at full throttle. I guess I got kind of used to it. A lot of people jump out of the way. I'm gonna take a look at this tractor when he gets turned around here. He was heading for the hayfield. 335 feet. Just shy of 27 miles an hour. He dug himself a big hole. They're trying to pull him out of it. Why 2 exhaust pipes? Because 2 is cooler than 1. That is a sweet ride. If you can't find them, grind them, right? Thanks for sharing our video, guys. Keep sharing it. I'm out here. I'm at a small brush pole, northeast Wisconsin. Pound is the name of the town. So if you ever, don't know if there's kids watching, but I'm not sure if they invented the expression "take her to Pound Town" in this town, but there is no lights here, so I hope they hurry up. At least that's not a John Deere skid steer pushing it. That'd be embarrassing. They look like Mickey Thompsons. Has a Dick CPEC cap on it. Alright, John Deere redemption time, I think. This is like Tosh.0 web redemption for the John Deeres. If it was my skid steer, it'd probably be a Gale. This pole's put on by NEW Motorsports, New Motorsports. You can find them on Facebook. Jeff lets me come take videos and pictures at all the poles. If you're up around the Green Bay area, this is going to be your local group. They do once in a while venture out of northeast Wisconsin. They were in Stanley, Wisconsin, which is in northwest Wisconsin last weekend. .323's 12 feet shy of the International. Looks like we got another black stripe. Maybe next. I'm not sure if there's an orange tractor in this class. I don't believe so. I got some sweet videos of orange tractors the last couple weeks.
You're okay, buddy.
in Pound, Wisconsin. I don't know, 45 minutes or an hour north of Green Bay. I'm not exactly sure. I took the bypass around. He's about 6 feet away from me. It's our fastest tractor yet. It's going to be your leader right now, 29.2 mile an hour, 340 feet. He got a little close to me. Black Stripe 1066. I'm gonna guess that is an old sled. If Pat Hack's still watching, he can tell you how much it weighs empty, because I'm sure he's been across the DOT scale house with it. Hopefully not the Illinois DOT scale house. He was hauling ass. 29 mile an hour, and a Pro Farm tractor is moving. Another John Deere. John Deere made a big block engine, so you see more of them in this big cubic inch class. 640. I will be in Toma next weekend. If the NTPA doesn't throw me out for doing it, I'll try to do a live stream. They're not real friendly. Got underneath the turbocharger, they call it. Didn't have quite enough RPMs off the line. It's not really an announcer here. I don't know where the scoring table is, but this is 640 Pro Farm, 640 cubic inches. 3 in, 3 out turbocharger. Their RPM limit is going to be 3,000 or 3,200 usually. I'm not sure if NEW runs an RPM box on them. We're in Pound, Wisconsin, north of Green Bay. Small town. We've got about 5 times as many live viewers as there are people in this town. I believe 2.5 diesel trucks are next, and there are some good ones in it. They're hard to set the sled for, so you may see one touch the hayfield. If you're more than about 220 pounds, it's a squeeze in there. Schultz barely fits in the Remedy's roll cage because he's 6'3" or 6'4". Rims on the front are Dick CPEC rims, but ones on the back, not real sure. Yeah, Kyle, that's the issue, is I did get around and get a media pass next week for Toma from the Ag Society. We're going to 2.5 diesel trucks now. This is a strong running truck. Everybody kept their hook in that class. Not a lot of cooling system on these tractors, so they are hot. .5 is the size of the inlet on the turbocharger. Bud Light. This truck pulled earlier today and it ran really well. I'm going to try to keep track of who thinks the Chevy's going to win, who thinks a Ford Power Stroke's going to win, who thinks the Cummins is going to win. I think we got one of each, I believe. There is a Jesse Warren 2.5 truck that runs around up here with a lot of Warren diesel parts on it. He's at 306.40H. No Toyotas in this class, sorry about your luck. There is a strong running 6.0 up here that runs around. They're getting close to that hayfield, so it's taking them a little bit to turn around. Alright, here's your chance, Cummins fans. It's got to beat 305. Sled always wins. We know that. If you want to guess a distance for this Cummins, go ahead. I'm going to say 308. Never heard of a strong 6.0. Well, you need to look up Jesse Warren. That's a 1086 running the roller. Waiting for a distance. 308.79. Guess I won that one because I guessed 308. This is 2.5 diesel. New Motorsports lets them run hood stacks, in case you're confused. This is a mud pit back here. They got 1.5 inches of rain last night. Here's the 6.0, and this truck usually screams. Power Stroke fans, this is your chance right here. There's Chad Heinrich. Power Stroke fans, here's your chance. I'm gonna guess he's gonna be really close to the other truck at 308 if he doesn't blow a cooling line like 6.0s usually do. Running 6.0 right there. Love that sound. .306.16. He puts him in second place. He's ahead of the Chevy and behind the Dodge. Thanks for sharing. Not sure how many is in this class. So we got Cummins in first, Power Stroke in second, and Duramax in third. There is no lights on this track, so they better hurry up. Jesse Warren's watching. There's his sticker. Red Diamond Diesel. Not sure if Blown Black is here. That's a long drive for them. That's gonna be 5-6 hours probably. I believe they're from over the west side of the state. .5. Don't make me laugh. Puts him in 4th place. Street trucks were having trouble getting through that mud, but these trucks, all the weight's on the front end, so they're all right. Chevy fans, you got another chance. The view here is pretty good. We're in Pound, Wisconsin. New Motorsports, look them up on Facebook. Jeff and the crew always let me come hang out trackside. Close. This is a close class. They're within 8 feet of each other. .302.25. Chevy's in 3rd and 4th right now. Ford's in 2nd. Cummins is 1st. I believe we got top trucks in Wisconsin yet, if I seen them back in the pits. chance for the Duramax crew. This is Ty Davies. We're in Pound, Wisconsin, a little village north of Green Bay. There's 3 or 4 times as many people watching this video as live in Pound, Wisconsin, so. .73. I don't know, Duramax lovers out there. Still got a Cummins in first and a Ford in second. Not sure if that was the last truck or not. Thought there was a couple more. We'll see. I think that's it. Cummins won 6.0 took second. Thanks for watching. This is probably one of our best watched videos ever. I'll be in Toma next weekend. Try to get around the NTPA with a live stream. So, and it's getting dark and there's no lights here. So, thanks for watching. Not sure if my brother went live too, but thanks for watching his Brock's live videos too. But I'll see you guys next week in Toma. I'll be walking around with a beer money shirt on with a bag full of cameras on my back. Might stash some koozies in there to give away.